Okay everyone, now inside this main activity class, let's actually create an object from the secure random class. Okay, so first of all I need to actually refer to the name of the secure random class. Okay, and then I need to actually give a name to this secure random object, secure random numbers. Okay, and then I need to put an assignment operator here, new, okay, secure random class. Okay, so as you can see here, we created an object from this secure random class, and then we actually gave a name to this object, secure random numbers, and then we initialized this object, okay, by using this new keyword. So now let's actually create 6 integer variables, okay, int number1, okay, assignment operator number 0, int number2, assignment operator, and then I assign the value 0 to this variable, int number3, assignment operator number 0, int number4, assignment operator number 0, int number5, assignment operator number 0, and int number6, assignment operator number 0. Okay, so now let's actually go inside this onCreate method. Okay everyone, now let's actually create some other objects inside this onCreate method. Let's actually create a text view object, text view txt number1, assignment operator, and then I need to actually cast this object to a text view object, find view by id r.id dot txt number1. Okay, again let's actually create another text view object, okay, txt number2, assignment operator, and then I need to actually cast this object to a text view object, find view by id r.id dot txt number2. Okay, text view txt number3, assignment operator, I need to actually cast this object to a text view object, find view by id r.id dot txt number3. Okay, again let's actually create another text view object, txt number4, okay, assignment operator. So now let's actually cast this object to a text view object, find view by id r.id dot txt number4, and then let's actually create another text view object, txt number5, assignment operator, and then let's actually cast this object to a text view object, find view by id r.id dot txt number5. Okay, and then let's actually create another text view object, text view txt number6, assignment operator, text view find view by id r.id dot txt number6. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got 6 different objects from this text view class. So now let's actually create objects from the image view class. So just refer to the name of this image view class, and let's actually hold the command key and then press on this image view here. If you are using a Windows machine, you need to actually hold the control key and then press on this image view here. So just click on it, and as you can see here, this image view class is actually inheriting all of the features and behaviors that are inside this view class. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And let's actually go back inside this main activity.java file, and inside this onCreate method, let's actually create some objects from this image view class. So for the name of this object, just type in here img dice, okay, and then put an assignment operator here, and then inside the parentheses we can just cast this object to our image view object, okay, find view by id r.id dot img dice. Okay, and then let's actually create another image view object, image view, okay, img dice number1, assignment operator, and then I need to cast this object to our image view object, and find view by id r.id dot img dice number 1, and then let's actually create another image view object, image view img dice number 2, okay, assignment operator, and then let's actually cast this object to an image view object, find view by id r.id dot img dice number 2, okay, and then we need to actually put a semicolon at the end of our statement. So let's actually create another image view object, image view img dice number 3 assignment operator, and here I need to cast this object to an image view object, find view by id r.id dot img number 3. Okay, so now let's actually create another object from this image view class. So image view, okay, img dice number 4 assignment operator, and then let's actually cast this object to an image view object, find view by id r.id dot img number 4. Okay, img dice number 4. So let's actually create another image view object, img dice number 5 assignment operator, and then let's actually cast this object to an image view object, find view by id r.id dot img dice number 5. Okay, again let's actually create another image view object, image view img dice number 6 assignment operator, and then let's actually cast this object to an image view object, find view by id r.id dot img dice number 6. Okay, so now let's actually create a button object, button btn roll the dice, and then let's actually put an assignment operator here, and then we need to actually cast this object to a button object. Okay, find view by id r.id dot btn roll the dice. Okay, now let's actually make this button a listener to the clicks that the user make on this button, roll the dice. So let's actually refer to the name of this button here, btn roll the dice dot set on click listener. Okay, new view dot on click listener. Okay, so inside this on click method we can actually put our own codes. Okay everyone, now let's actually create a for loop inside this on click method. So here inside the parenthesis, first of all let's actually create a variable int, and the name of this variable here is roll times. Okay, assignment operator 0, and then I need to refer to the name of this variable, roll times less than or equal to a number 5 million. Okay, semicolon, and then roll times plus plus. Okay, and then I need to actually open and close this loop by using these curly braces, and then inside the loop let's actually create a variable, okay, int face number. Okay, and then I need to actually put in an assignment operator here, secure random numbers. Okay, as you can see, this object is our object here. We created this object here inside this main activity class in line 16, and here inside this on click method and inside this for loop I am referring to the name of this object dot next int, and then inside the parenthesis I can just put in number 6 here. Okay, so as you can see here I am saying that give me an integer number between a number 0 to number 6. Okay, so if I want to get a value between number 1 to number 6, I need to actually put in number 1 here plus this piece of code here. Okay, so 1 plus secure random numbers dot next int 6. So this piece of code is going to actually give me a random number between these two numbers. Okay, so now let's actually create a switch statement. Switch